Guys, starting an online business used to take months of planning, coding, and setup. But AI has completely changed the game in 2025. Last week, I decided to test just how fast you can launch a real career using nothing but AI tools. My name is Daniel, and today, I'm showing you the fastest way to start selling products online. Folks, we'll use EverBee Store to build everything from scratch in real time. No coding skills, no design experience, and definitely no months of preparation needed. By the end of this video, you'll see a complete business launch from zero to selling. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's see what makes this different. Friends, traditional e-commerce setup was a nightmare. You needed web developers, graphic designers, and payment processing experts. Each step took weeks and cost thousands of dollars. AI eliminates these barriers completely. Guys, one platform can now handle website creation, product descriptions, and payment processing. What used to require a team of specialists now happens with simple prompts. EverBee Store caught my attention because it's built specifically for fast business launches. Folks, the platform combines three essential tools in one place. The research section finds profitable products, email handles marketing automation, and store creates your website using AI. This integration means everything works together seamlessly. You're not juggling multiple tools that don't communicate. Guys, here's where the magic happens. I started the EverBee homepage, where you can see three main sections. Let's click on the EverBee Store tab to start building. And here I've got three options for creating my shop. I can create a website with AI, import from Etsy, or migrate from Wix. I choose the first option because we're starting completely fresh. And at the next step, folks, the tool prompts me to describe what kind of store I want. I select clothing because that's a proven niche. It immediately starts generating my website backend and optimizing the checkout for maximum sales. Within seconds, I have a complete page generated. Guys, it's already designed with sections for products, testimonials, and calls to action. The mobile version looks perfect too, which is crucial since most customers shop on phones. Now I can customize the look and feel. The software offers several color palettes based on what converts well for clothing stores. Typography options are pre-selected for readability and conversion. There are also corner radius settings. They let me choose between sharp modern edges or rounded designs. Each choice affects how customers perceive the brand. Guys, the AI handles all technical aspects, like responsive design automatically. Time to add products to make this store functional. I add a white t-shirt with a custom print design. The product title is straightforward. The description emphasizes comfort, style, and versatility. Now guys, keep in mind that category selection is important for organization. I choose clothing, then t-shirts specifically. This helps with site navigation and SEO. Product photos are crucial, so I upload a high-quality image that shows the shirt clearly. Pricing strategy affects everything. I set the current price at $30 with a previous price of $40. This creates perceived value through the discount. The platform automatically shows potential earnings. The inventory management is simple. I set stock levels and the system handles availability automatically. And that means that when someone buys, inventory updates in real time, guys. Stripe integration handles all payment processing. This connects in minutes and accepts every major payment method. Business information setup is straightforward, where I can edit the store name and customize the domain. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Your store gets a working link immediately after creation. You can edit business information like name, contact details, and even change the domain if needed. The platform automatically generates a functional website URL that customers can visit right away. When I click on the link, the live website opens and everything displays correctly. All sections work properly, the design looks professional, and customers can browse products immediately. Guys, this proves the store isn't just a preview, it's a real function in business. The marketing section offers four powerful tools. Email automation handles welcome series, order updates, and abandoned cart recovery. These usually require expensive third-party services. Discount management lets me create sales and promotional campaigns easily. SEO optimization happens automatically but can be customized. The tool understands search engine requirements and optimizes accordingly. Meta ad setup connects to Facebook and Instagram advertising with proper tracking. And I have to say, folks, the designer section here is like having a professional web designer. I can modify layouts, change images, and adjust styling without coding. The builder interface is intuitive and shows changes in real time. And now, guys, let me tell you about EverBee's Brain AI. This is where things get really powerful. This smart assistant works as your product designer, marketer, analyst, and growth strategist, all rolled into one intelligent assistant. It can create complete products including titles, descriptions, and SEO tags just from an image or a simple idea you have. The system learns your brand voice, understands your products, and knows your target audience by analyzing your brand book. It builds ready-made, sales-optimized websites that are designed to convert from day one. The intelligent tool also automates your discount campaigns, email marketing sequences, and even creates social media posts for you. For example, guys, when I asked about audience growth, it immediately provided actionable strategies. The responses are specific to my type and current situation, not generic advice. This eliminates the need for expensive consultants or hours of research. And what's more, the AI has access to current best practices and industry data. Once your store is running, scaling becomes much easier. The artificial intelligence learns from your performance data and suggests improvements. Adding new products follows the same simple process while maintaining consistency across your catalog. International expansion is built into the platform. Currency conversion and shipping calculations work globally. Your business can serve customers worldwide from day one. Guys, AI has eliminated the traditional barriers to starting an online business. What used to require teams of specialists now happens through simple conversations with intelligent systems. The speed and quality improvements are remarkable. EverBee Store represents the future of career creation. Complex processes become simple, expensive services become affordable, and months of work become hours. Folks, have you tried building a business with AI tools? What challenges are you facing with traditional methods? Share your experiences in the comments. Feel free to check out the links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and till next time.